It is in the morning, when I hear the cardinals call, when suddenly I can remember the reason. As if my soul has found a form, and it is the sound of the bird's song, and it is the dew on the grass, and it is my next inhale. And all is not answered, but all is well, and all is not healed, but all is here as it is, with all of its grief and sorrow, and I for once am not burdened by it, but only grateful to have ears and eyes and a heart that is capable of so much love.